Yeah, I feel very happy because in my career I haven't seen anything like this actually. The mindset right now is actually like I want to be on the digital nomad side. Like I want to see 9 to 5 job is like a corporate life, like a we can say a jail. I usually say it's a jail. Yeah, the reason I chose him because he is having a good network, and as you told that your network is your network. So I just followed
Hmm.
that. Why should not I give a try for this? Let's give a try for that. So I gave a try. I found it very interesting when compared to other courses and all. In the 5 years of career, I didn't get all the things which I got in these 30 days.
Make you cry like a baby. Your body love it when I make this video. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hi everyone, meet Shan. He's a digital nomad from Bangalore. He got his first client in just 24 days starting the journey. Shan, congratulations. It's a great job.
Yep, thank you so much, Bipin. So it's all because of you and the team and the mentors that we have. So it's been possible because of you guys.
Uh, yeah, I'm also glad, I'm happy that you learned, you took the action. So, how was this 30 days journey for you?
Yep.
Was that
So
okay,
this.
one question?
Mhm.
This 30 days and your 2 years of MBA in digital marketing, which is powerful.
So I can say this 30 days is powerful, I can say, because when coming to MBA, so I know how MBA works. So I didn't do any MBA, but my wife she is doing MBA. So I know, like for the first year, you'll just learn the basic things. So there won't be any specialization. And when you go to the second year, so there will be a specialization, but that too, they won't go in that much deep actually. The way you have taught us, the way the lectures are there, and all those things actually. So those are totally different when compared to the 2 years actually.
Correct. So, so why do you think, okay, you have, I know for sure you have taken many trainings in the past, gone through multiple things, in your office and many other places. But uh, why was this different? Or was this different? So I just want to know.
Yeah, it is different for sure. So the reason why it is different from others, see, every courses will have like 3 to 4 months of course. And what happens means, so at the initial state, we'll have the full enthusiasm, full energy to do the courses and all those things. But later on, when the time goes, all the enthusiasm and energy goes down, down by down. But this is only 1 month, so people will easily go through 1 month, and it's not a big videos actually. So a small, crisp and I can say like content-wise product means course we have here. So definitely it is a big one.
Got. So you had small videos, you were able to implement whatever was shown.
Exactly. Yeah. Though I'm
Correct.
working at IT field, but I take out my time for this. I work for this. The way you have told, the same strategy I have implemented.
Okay. So completing one video with your job was not difficult.
Yeah, not at all. Because see, my job starts at 12 to night 9 like that. So I wake up at morning 6. So I have 6 hours of time that I can complete my video anytime. If it's a big, some videos, 30 minutes, 40 minutes also, I take small part, like 10 minutes for few. Then I understand concept, I implement, then 10 minutes for few, and I implement those. So like, I go in that way, divide and conquer.
Okay. So in this 30 days, you also got the result. That is, you approach clients, you learn many
Yeah.
skills. How is this possible?
Yep. So this was possible because see, there were clients, so we'll get the clients for sure. But the thing we need to see is what is their problem actually. The one you told. So first understand the problem of the client. Go in depth. Be try to mingle with them. Try to make a conversation with them. So when I made the conversation, they totally opened up. They told like this is the thing we are doing. This is the thing we need. This all things they need. So I got this client from uh, when I approached them, I asked them, so what is the thing that you are actually looking for? Because first we need to understand the customer point of view, what he is looking for, and what solution we can provide. So he told that he's starting from the scratch. So he needs GST registration, he needs the website creation, he needs the domain and all those things. He needs the Facebook ad, he needs the digital marketing and all those things. So I told them, yeah, so GST I don't have with me right now the person, but my friend is there who can help you with that. And
Mm.
I introduced him also. He did it, and now the GST part is completed almost. So now I'm gonna do the website creation first for them, then Facebook ad creation, and definitely I'll run the ads for them.
Wow, so much of confidence in just 30 days. You closed a client, you're doing
Yeah.
websites for them, you're doing social media, you're doing running ads.
Yes. Yes.
How do you feel?
True. Yeah, I feel very happy because in my career I haven't seen anything like this actually.
Mm. Mm. Okay. So what is your background? Like when you said career, what background do you come from?
So basically, I'm from BTech Mechanical Engineering. Then I tried first for core industry, but I didn't get the job in the core, so I switched to IT industry. So currently,
Okay.
I'm working as a technical lead in the IT industry.
Okay. So from what technical background, what you're doing. So did you have any digital marketing prior experience?
No, not at all, because I'm a integration developer. So like I integrate between the APIs of front end and the back end. So there's no digital marketing involved in that.
Okay. So now when you started learning, it was easy. It was not difficult.
Yeah, it was easy actually.
Got it. And what about the community and the support? What do you have to say? Did you get
Yep.
support when
So
you joined?
yeah, sure, definitely. So whenever I have a doubt, I just reach out to, I just post that into the group, and people are there in the group who actually reply to it, who help. So some of them also connected with me one on one personally on the Zoom to help me also.
Oh, nice. Nice. That's nice. Uh, Great. So this is one client. Do you have any other clients in your pipeline? What's the story?
Yes. So from this real estate, the one I started, from this I got three real estate into the contact actually. They are also looking for the same, but
Mm,
I didn't had the time to approach them, but I gave a scheduled time to them.
mm.
Definitely meet them because there are some family function going on, so I'm a bit occupied with that right now. And then tomorrow I have a meeting with one of gymnastics actually. So
Okay.
they are also looking for the ads.
Okay. So now, having a 9 to 5 mindset,
Mhm.
now you're looking for clients. How is your mind about the skills you told? How is your mindset shift? What is your mindset right now?
The mindset right now is actually like I want to be on the digital nomad side. Like I want to see 9 to 5 job is like a corporate life, like a we can say a jail. I usually say it's a jail for me.
Okay. Okay.
Mm. And this 9 to 5, when I will, if I can earn from the digital nomad, the digital marketing, then why should I switch for that one where I used to spend my 9 hours a day?
Uh,
And here I can just say like 4 to 6 hours is more maximum, and that too you can go anywhere, you can work from anywhere, you can do n number of things with that.
Correct. Now, no. After the program, like, do you have that entrepreneur thinking? What is your mindset? The level of
Yes.
confidence, or like what changed? Like, did anything change personally?
Yep. So I got the change in my mindset actually. First of all, what I used to do is I used to prioritize only my work, 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 work. But later, when I got to know about this one, then uh, we need to make the work as the last, the office work that
Mhm.
I'm doing. So I made that as the last actually there. So I'm feeling very relaxed because earlier I was having too much of tension actually. I need to complete this, I need to complete that, I need to take this, I need to do that, and all those things. But now it's totally relaxed actually. And
Correct.
entrepreneur, coming to the entrepreneur skills also and the mindset. So yes, I have, because now I'm expanding. So I got a guy also. So actually some commission he'll take, but he'll provide me the best and genuine mm, clients
Believe.
for me.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, the reason I chose him because he is having a good network, and as you told that your network is your network. So I just
Mm.
followed that.
Awesome. Awesome. Nice. Really good to hear that you have improved your scene result. Uh, that's it. And now, like when you joined, like when you, how did you find me?
Yeah, so I
Uh,
was just going through some Instagram and all, and there I found you actually, and it's a free class. So I thought of like, just a 1 hour of class. So why don't you, why should not I give a try for this? Let's give a try for that. So I gave a try. I found it very interesting when compared to other courses and all. So I
mm.
joined.
So whatever I promised and we promised when you joined, did we
Mhm.
deliver it to you?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, that's been delivered. That's the reason that I followed all the step and I got the class.
Awesome. So if someone wants to join, just like you, who's thinking, should I come here? Is this scam and all? What do you say for them?
I would just, I won't say anything. I would just show my portfolio and all. They'll only get to know it.
Correct. Awesome. So and finally, like, have you done your website?
Yes, my website is complete.
So in how many days you built your website?
2 days I took only. So in fact,
Awesome.
2 days I sat and completed.
Awesome. Awesome. This is great. This is result. See, in 30 days, what more can you do? Tell me.
So there are many things that I can do in the 30 days actually. It's not only a website creation. So see, the thing is, if you're clear with the concept and understand the thing, you can do any number of things in the 30 days. So
Correct.
we have
So
time, we have all those things actually. We can do
correct,
anything.
correct. That's what I said. In 30 days, you have launched your business, you have
Hmm,
built your website, learned copywriting, sales, closing, got a client, started your own business.
exactly.
So this is more. What
Yeah.
more? We don't know what
So
more
in
we
the
can
five years of career, I
explore.
didn't get this thing which I got in 30 days.
Come again, sorry.
In the 5 years of career, I didn't get all those things which I got in these 30 days.
Wow. Isn't that more powerful now? Like 5 years,
It is
30
actually.
days. So
It
you
is
are
actually.
dreaming about starting your business, launching something from
Exactly.
5 years.
Exactly. Actually, I was looking for start doing a BPO and all those things actually,
Hmm.
putting a call center and all those things actually. But shortage of fund and some commitments and also I was not able to make it.
So that 5 years of dream came true in just 30 days.
Yes, true.
Awesome, Sean. It's really nice to hear this. I'm really glad that you got the result. I'm really, really happy for you.
Thank you. Thank you, Bipin.
Uh, awesome. Bye.
Yeah. Bye.